Right, this is Novoton Shop I channel. We are here at Mofta Stadium. Thank you for supporting the channel. Make sure that you support the channel by clicking the subscribe button and watch the videos. Mamelodi Sundowns 3, Cape Town Spurs not. My brother, how do you feel about the game tonight?
Well, I'm very much happy, especially about these French players who were not regularly playing.
Yeah.
And then these starting players, starting lineup, I'm very much happy about them. They bring confidence on them.
On the team, yeah?
Yes.
Yeah, and I saw that, most of them, they never played in a long time. And tonight they really displayed the thing there.
After our Sunday's game against Pyramid,
Yeah,
yes,
Pyramid, yeah.
I predict, and then I was thinking that Roland must give rest the other players and give these other players a chance.
And
then
he
did exactly.
Yeah.
And then these players, those who were at the bench, they did exactly. Even some of them, like I can mention some of them, like Nazim,
Yes.
he didn't come to the party. But next time, I think those who play today, I think he can pick 3 or 4 to the next game. They are going to have that confidence, and then because of right time. If you can attest on Sunday, a lot of our players, there is a lot of fatigue. But now I'm happy because he gave some of them a chance, and then they prove that they are equal to the task.
Exactly, and
including the goalkeeper.
Yeah, how do you feel about the player just number 21, Mkhulise?
If you can check Mkhulise each and every game, he's growing, but he needs that support. Mkhulise is a player that we must watch, and then it's a player that, especially in the middle field, it gives us the dimension that we want. Always, exactly.
No,
it's a player, even Bafana can recruit him. He can give more Bafana dimension.
Yeah, and then who was your man of the match tonight?
My man of the match, actually, I can give it to even Mkhulise. I can give it to him. Even Mbule. But Mbule, he proved what actually we wanted. Something that we didn't do on Sunday is to shoot.
That's what you wanted.
Is to shoot.
Exactly.
You remember, these people, they've read us. They know always sometimes playing 1-2, 1-2, 1-2. Because if we shoot, even the goalkeeper was flat-footed. But they know if we're not playing 1-2, 1-2, 1-2, 1-2. The goalkeeper is flat-footed. Someone can shoot from nowhere and get the goal. Like Mbule's goal. It's wonderful. It's a goal of the week. I'm happy about this thing.
No, thank you very much.
Thank you, my brother. I'm happy about Sundowns. But we, as Sundowns supporters, we must do exactly. We must support our team. Like even Pirate. Understand? Not waiting for
the freebies.
Exactly.
Thank you very much, my brother.